Parsley is a medicinal plant that contains many benefits due to its diuretic, antioxidant, antibacterial, anti-diabetic, immunomodulating, cytotoxic and kidney-protecting properties. Parsley can be used in the treatment of renal illnesses, like UTIs or kidney stones. It can also be useful for treatment of high blood pressure because of its diuretic effects. Parsley leaves, seeds and roots can be used in natural remedies, vitamins, tea and as a spice. It is available in both fresh and dehydrated forms. Surprising benefits of parsley tea, and how to make it. Made by steeping fresh or dried parsley in a cup of hot water, it can supply several nutrients and antioxidants that are essential to health. Plus, it's easy to prepare, cost-effective, and delicious, making it a great addition to a healthy diet. 1. Treat urinary tract infections. Parsley possesses antimicrobial and diuretic actions, which can help with the emergence of recurrent UTIs. 2. Strengthen the immune system. Parsley can help to boost immunity and strengthen the immune system because it is rich in vitamin C, zinc, and vitamin A and additionally contains antimicrobial properties. 3. Could help regulate menstruation. Parsley tea is commonly used as a natural remedy to treat issues related to menstruation and hormone levels. In particular, it contains the compounds myristicin and apiol, which can influence estrogen production to help balance hormones. It's also thought to act as an emmenagogue, a substance that stimulates menstrual flow. 4. Could help prevent kidney stones. Kidney stones are hard mineral deposits that form in your kidneys and cause severe, sharp pain in your back, side, and stomach. Some research suggests that parsley may aid in preventing kidney stones. One study found that treating rats with parsley helped increase urine volume, decrease urinary calcium excretion, and raise the acidity of urine. 5. Help to manage diabetes. Eating parsley can be beneficial to diabetics to regulate blood sugar and to protect the liver due to its antioxidant action. In addition, the flavonoids found in parsley also help to prevent the emergence of diabetes, which makes it a great option for patients diagnosed with pre-diabetes. 6. Improve blood pressure and treat fluid retention. Parsley is rich in potassium, which is required for the excretion of sodium through the urine. It also possesses diuretic properties. These two factors help to lower blood pressure and combat fluid retention. 7. May have cancer-fighting properties. Parsley tea is loaded with antioxidants and cancer-fighting compounds. For example, apigenin, a flavonoid in parsley, has been shown to block the growth and spread of cancer cells in test tube studies. Luteolin is another flavonoid in parsley that may suppress tumor growth, thus aiding cancer prevention, according to some test tube studies. What's more, one test tube study found that parsley extract was able to prevent DNA damage and decrease the spread of breast cancer cells by 41%. 9. Prevent cardiac disease. Parsley is rich in folate, a B-complex vitamin that prevents the formation of fatty plaques along the blood vessels. This helps to keep blood vessels healthy and prevent illnesses like atherosclerosis, infarction or stroke. It also contains vitamin K, which improves blood vessel health by keeping them elastic and prevent the accumulation of calcium, which can lead to cardiovascular problems like atherosclerosis. 10. Improve digestion. Some scientific studies show that parsley may be beneficial for the treatment of intestinal ulcers. This plant may protect the gastric mucosa and inhibit gastric secretion. More studies are necessary to support these findings. 11. Promote bone health. Parsley is rich in vitamin K, which aids in the formation of bone due to boosted osteoblast activity. It is also responsible for activating some proteins that increase bone density, and can stimulate better adhesion of calcium to the bones and teeth, preventing osteoporosis. 13. Promote eye health and vision. Parsley is rich in carotenoids, mainly lutein and zeaxanthin, which are components that help to maintain vision and promote eye health. Some studies show that these compounds help to prevent macular degeneration related to aging, which is an illness that can lead to blindness.